Dear user, thanks for your interest in the Dashfrugal recorded product demo. My name is Jason, and I am your virtual product demo assistant. Let me quickly explain to you what is Dashfrugal, and I will give you a quick product walkthrough as well. Let's get started. When you are entering your Dashfrugal account, you will be welcomed with a welcome video that gives you a quick product overview. You can also deliver the same thing to your software users by adding a recorded video when you are customizing your account. I will show that later. You can see the Get Started button below. When you are clicking this, you will be redirected to the onboarding screen. This widget plays a crucial role in your user's onboarding journey and an integral part of Dashfrugal-Product experience platform. The whole user onboarding journey can be structured on this widget, where you can arrange and deploy various self-service methods and guides to help your users to easily communicate with your software. We know that the overall software workflow can be calculated in percentage. Here as well, the first-time user will start from 0 and 100% will be calculated as each user's over onboarding completion. Let me introduce you to a few of the terms that you may hear multiple times during this product demo. Milestone, task, and task instruction are these important words, and all associated with each other. Before getting started, let me explain to you what all these are. Milestones are significant and measurable stages in your onboarding process, and a task is an activity that the user has to do to complete a milestone. Instructions are step-by-step text guidance to complete a task. Each software has different features and a unique set of workflows. To get started with Dashfrugal, you need to perform workflows like creating a milestone, adding that milestone to the onboarding flow, and finally product integration. Likewise, you also have a different set of software workflow that you can manage using Dashfrugal. This is 100% customizable. Now let me introduce you to a few of the self-service methods that you can create and deploy on your web applications to drive more product engagement. Let's have a quick look. The first method is simple contextual guidance. Contextual guidance is the easiest method where you can navigate the users with step-by-step instruction. Based on your software workflow and footstep, you can create this contextual guidance using Dashfrugal. Most of the users like to refer to the training materials and available resources during their onboarding and product training. Instead of creating the knowledge base outside your software, you can easily set up a resource section and can add as many explainer videos, images, and many more on Dashfrugal. So the user can easily access these materials without redirecting outside to your platform. Guided product walkthrough is another powerful self-service product onboarding method you can create using Dashfrugal to increase feature adoption. Comparing to any other walkthrough software, we have the advantage of voice assistance, which enhances user engagement during the product training. Also, we have the localization capability where you can create product guidance in multiple languages. All these self-service methods will help the users to easily get started with your platform. If your users require more advanced human intervention during their product onboarding, we do also have an option for it. With our in-app messaging feature, your customer can easily establish a quick conversation with your customer success team. On the other side, your customer success manager can closely watch each individual user's journey closely. The customer success team will get an insight into the user activities and can easily interfere whenever the user raised the request for advanced support. This will also help your users to perform the account activities very easily. Now let me show you how to build a sample workflow and product walkthrough for your product. The very first we need to do is creating a new milestone. We already discussed the importance of milestone in the user onboarding flow. You need to fill all the necessary field either by reading the contextual guidance or follow the tooltip guidance to easily create your first milestone. Once you've done it, save the milestone. Next is creating a task and adding that to milestone. You have created the first milestone, good job. Next, you are going to add a new task to the milestone. To create a new task, follow the contextual instruction or walkthrough, and fill the necessary field. You can create as many tasks as you want and can add them to the milestone, based on your software's features and software footsteps. Once you created the task, drag and drop it to the milestone and arrange it according to your software flow. Once you added a couple of tasks to the milestone, next is defining the action flow. Meanwhile, you can see the overall onboarding progress percentage in the widget is gradually improving. You reached almost. We have created a new milestone first and then added a new task under that. Next is the final and very important process, defining the step-by-step instructions and adding that to the task. This step-by-step instruction helps the user to manage the overall process easier. You need to make sure that you have defined the software procedure or workflow before getting started with the task instruction. Carefully enter the instructions one by one. This is the very first reference to the software users. You can add as many instructions under a task. Add necessary steps and save the task instruction. Whenever you are adding a new instruction, you have options to add warnings, information to keep the users alert during the onboarding. You can also add get help options to each step if you need. This will help the users to raise a chat request to interact with the customer success team. Next is adding examples and resources to your onboarding widget. You can add as many videos, images, and blogs. Just copy the link and paste it into the concerned field. Great, we are done with it. Now let's go to widget customization where we can customize the overall widget appearance. We have done with almost all the activities, including creating various actions and redirects. Now we need to move to the widget customization part. On the widget customization page, you can define all the widget attributes. You can add your own icons to the widget and can add welcome title and welcome message. Now you can define the widget color and the widget position. Once you've filled in the welcome message and other necessary actions like widget color, you need to set the widget position. Sometimes you may need the onboarding widget on the right side, sometimes on the left side. You have options to set all these. Next, you can add the welcome videos. It can be an explainer video or can be a recorded product demo. Get the link and paste it over here. Save and you will get the widget preview. Now it is integration time. It is very simple to install Dashfrugal on your software. Copy the API link and paste it into your software files. You can follow the instruction mentioned under it to complete the installation. Now let's watch the live preview of what we have built so far. Thanks for watching. You can sign up for the free trial. Happy user onboarding!